R6 versus GSX-S 750. That's what happens. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I feel like it's been forever since I've been back on this thing. I've been trying to do this video for a really long time and finally able to make it happen. I'm meeting up with a buddy of mine. He's got an R6. We're gonna see what this thing can do against it. Going into this, I can already tell you that this probably will not win because of the weight difference, and I think it makes around the same power. You know, for a 750 you think this will make more than a 600, but no. Only the Gixxers do that. I feel like I've been taking his bike out in like weeks, and I think it truly has been. It's been raining so much. I cleaned my bike the other day and I like polished it and stuff. She's looking real good, so I would hate to get caught in a rainstorm. Maryland loves to just give you the wrong forecast for the day, so you think you're going out with 0% chance of rain. Next thing you know, it's a thunderstorm. I just want to say to the people that actually watch my videos and come back and keep watching, just know that I appreciate you. I appreciate you to the fullest. Like I said, if y'all have any kind of questions, just ask me. I'm always answering back, like immediately. I'll drop what I'm doing just to answer you. So if you guys get any kind of questions, concerns, tips even, I'm fine with that. Be sure to drop them down below. Alright, so I'm going to save as much battery as I can because this is going to be a banger of a video. But we will see when we get there. R6 versus GSX-S 750. That's what happens. Now that I'm off the highway and can finally hear myself think. Huge thanks to my man Matt for coming out and busting a myth that I thought that would go a different way. Shout out to my man Matt and his R6. That thing's clean, low miles, and that thing is quick. Like I said earlier, I knew it was gonna happen. He kept saying, oh, that thing's an R6 killer. I'm like, no, there's no way. The weight difference is what does it. I will put it at the bottom of the screen here. I'll do some research and the power levels and everything, but I'm not sure what the fastest 600 is for that year. Like, if I went against a Gixxer, would it be any better or worse? Or CBR or 6R. Not too sure, but I've always loved the R6s. These bikes are so nice. So yeah, if you get this bike and you feel a little cocky at a red light against a 600, you better eat your Wheaties and do a little bit more than just a slip-on. The bad thing is I'm tuned with a slip-on. I got pretty much gapped after 110, I think it was. Like I was telling someone yesterday in my comments, that this bike is not a real big power gainer when you do the ECU flash. Like, it just literally cleans the bike up because it runs so clean that it's horrible. I mean, the thing like do at red lights or driving real slow, it's just, in my opinion, it feels unsafe. I mean, because you don't have control of the bike's movement, and I'm not really a huge fan of that. But yeah, I plan on doing the headers. I really think that's going to help a lot with power and sound, and hopefully some flames. Hopefully. But I think I'm gonna go enjoy some lunch with some peeps. But you all stay safe out there. If you like the video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Stick around if you're new. Again, I appreciate all the love and support and all my returning people coming to view the channel. I appreciate y'all so much, and we'll be seeing you on the flip side. Peace.